Okay, I am going to show you how to complete each type of assessment in Schoology. Okay, well, each type of assessment question. Okay, so I'm going to view this assessment from preview mode. Okay, when you open the assessment, you will see something similar, and it gives you some directions. You have made 0 of 3 attempts. I haven't tried it yet. You have 3 remaining. For this quiz, you have 3 attempts. Normally, you'll only have 1 or 2, but since this is the first one for you, I'm giving you 3. So when I click Start New Attempt, it's going to go through the question. This is simple multiple choice, but it says choose the 3 that apply. So notice it's check boxes. I'd have to pick 3. This is a drop-down menu type of question. So when I click on this, I want to pick the word that correctly fills the blank. So when I click on this word, it will put it in the blank. Okay, so whichever word you think fills the blank correctly, choose that one. Next goes to the next type of question. Here is a paragraph that will help you answer this question, and there are 2 blanks. You have some options down here, and I'm going to click on one and drag it up and put it in the box if I think that's the right answer. So I need to pick 2 of these options and put them up in the blanks by clicking on it and dragging it up to the box. Okay. Click Next. This is a highlighting question. It says circle the 3 parts of the cell theory in red. So here are the options for highlighting. I pick the color. Well, that direction said red. And then I'm going to use, you see the X, the cross, and I can do this and circle, and I'm going to circle the 3 parts of the cell theory to follow that direction. Then it says underline the answer to this question in blue. So I would need to go back to the highlight color, choose blue, find the right part, and underline it. Okay. Then I would go next. Simple multiple choice question. Next, look at the image below, then match the scientists to the description of how they contributed to the cell theory. So here's some information that you can use. Here are the scientists, and again, like the other similar question, here are your options, and you're going to drag it up to whatever spot you think it is. If you need to fix it, you can just drag it back down, or you can move it in between the options. Okay. This, you just have to type your answer. Okay, there's no options. You just have to type what you think is the answer. Here is a little bit of information, and then you're going to answer this question. Again, this is a type in the answer. Here is a labeling, which is similar to the other ones. Notice the boxes, and I have options down here. I'm going to drag up the options wherever I think they fit best. And another matching question, okay? And again, you're going to drag the options where you think they fit the best. Then you click Review. You can look back at any of the questions, okay? And make sure if you wanted to go back to a question, you could do that. And then you would click Finish. If I wanted to go back to this question, here I want to show you a tip. See this? Flag for review. I can do this. If I say, I don't really know this question, I want to come back to it, I'm going to flag it for review. Watch when I go to the end and I go to review. Do you see that? Now a flag shows up that was telling me I want to go back and review that question. Okay, that's a really important tip for when you're taking an assessment. And then you would click Finish if you were all set and ready to turn in your assignment.